Dashboard warning lights are your vehicle's way of communicating its health status. These indicators range from critical safety issues that require immediate attention to routine maintenance reminders. Warning lights are organized into three main categories based on severity level. Understanding these categories helps you prioritize your response appropriately. Red lights indicate critical issues requiring immediate action. These include engine temperature warnings, oil pressure alerts, and brake system problems that could affect your safety. Yellow or amber lights suggest moderate attention is needed. These include check engine lights, ABS warnings, and tire pressure monitoring system alerts that should be addressed soon. Informational lights provide maintenance reminders and status updates. These include service due indicators, low fuel warnings, and seatbelt reminders that help keep your vehicle running smoothly. Modern vehicles, especially 2024 and 2025 models, feature advanced diagnostic systems. The engine control unit connects to multiple sensors and systems throughout your vehicle. These advancements include OBD3 enhanced diagnostics for more precise error codes, smartphone integration that mirrors dashboard warnings on your phone, and AI-powered systems that can predict potential failures before warning lights even activate. When multiple warning lights appear simultaneously, they often indicate a single underlying problem rather than multiple separate issues. For example, in Toyota Prius vehicles, simultaneous check engine, VSC, and hybrid system warnings typically point to one root cause: a failing 12-volt auxiliary battery. This single component failure triggers multiple warning systems. Similarly, ABS and traction control warnings appearing together often share common sensors or control modules. Understanding this connection helps avoid unnecessary repairs and focuses troubleshooting efforts effectively. The key takeaway is to diagnose the system as a whole rather than treating each warning light as a separate problem. This approach saves time, money, and ensures more effective repairs. Before attempting to reset any dashboard warning lights, it's crucial to understand the potential risks and safety considerations involved. Different types of warning lights require different approaches. Red lights indicate immediate safety concerns, while yellow lights typically signal maintenance needs or system malfunctions. The first universal reset method is the battery disconnect procedure. This involves disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes to allow the vehicle's computer systems to fully reset. The second method uses an OBD2 scanner to directly clear diagnostic trouble codes from the vehicle's computer. This method has the highest success rate at 89%. The third method is the ignition cycle reset, which involves turning the ignition on and off in a specific sequence to reset certain warning lights without any tools. If warning lights persist after attempting these reset methods, or if you're dealing with critical system warnings, professional diagnosis is essential to prevent costly damage.